had the review meeting. This is not actually a high-powered committee meeting, but our assembly review meeting, and we had invited Deputy Chief Minister, who is also Minister in charge of Parliamentary Affairs and also in charge of PWD. So we have invited him and the Finance Department and the Finance Department and the PWD Department, and we have also asked the newly appointed vendors to do the interiors of the main assembly hall. This meeting was very productive, fruitful, I would say, but there are also some things that we had to review, and timeline has now gone back because of certain circumstances. Due to some unavoidable circumstances, we had to go back. I think we were targeting for March for the completion of this project, but we had to agree to shift because the vendors who are doing the interior work have requested us to give them at least 6 months, so it will be ready by June. The reason being, as I said, there are a lot of components or elements involved in, because we have to consider the audio-visual, the acoustics, and the security systems. And everything has to be incorporated within that interior thing. So we could not rush, because the agency which is looking after these aspects, the consultancy firm which is giving us the consultancy advice as to how to ensure that this security system, the acoustics are to be handled and incorporated. So they took quite some time to come out with the ultimate solution, because of which we had to, I think, go beyond the estimated timeline. So now the new timeline is somewhere around May, and by they have decided to extend that. We have decided to extend the time till May 2026, but to be on the safe side, we have decided that it should be June, where our next, maybe the next assembly, the autumn session assembly, can also be done. That is, the interiors also does not involve only the main hall area, but again we have 3 parts of the reception and the lobby area also. So those interiors has to be done properly. So these are the main decisions that we have taken, and also in order to ensure that we do not go, I mean, the timeline is no longer extended. So we have decided that we will take this review meeting. We will hold this review meeting every month starting from today. So the next meeting is scheduled at 8th of December.